viewers, welcome yet again to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, support, motivation, appreciation, and I am really, very blessed, and I take this opportunity to thank all my viewers, the Almighty, and the spirit guides, angels, and all my power animals and allies who are always beside me, guiding me, and blessing me in all the ways possible. May all those who are viewing this channel be blessed, and may you also catch what positive vibes, and you all get a positive direction to move on. Moving forward, this is not a time specific reading. This is a special sign reading. This reading is dedicated to my Leos, which is called Sikh Rashi in Hindi. Please do not get confused with Sun, Moon, Venus, and rising signs. Whatever zodiac refers to you with respect to your signs, please do watch that video. If you need any further insights, any further guidance on any particular topic, please do reach out to me. Please do write in the comment section below. I'm also open to one-to-one readings. Do reach out to me on my Facebook, Instagram, and email pages. The description is given below. All the new viewers, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, and do not forget to press the bell icon, as to whenever a new video will be uploaded, you will get notified. Moving on, Leos, how are you today? Let's see what there's in store for you. All right, my Leos. Okay, Leos, whatever you have been planning on, whatever the things were going on in your mind, it's not going as per your program, as per your agenda. Something is not good. You are not paying attention to details. You are not paying attention to the homework. You are not paying attention to the emotional level of your work. Please look into the matter. You need to see into it, and because of this, during a recent course of time, some things which have not worked out as per your program, as per your expectations, you need to come out of it. Okay, there is a time to be sad, there is a time for grieving, but now you need to move out of that state of mind. You need to move away from that state of mind. Otherwise, that negativity is going to affect you in many ways forward. You need to leave that state of mind. You have to move it, because this is the only way you can showcase yourself as a true sportsman, as a true warrior. Time ahead requires you to show your craftsmanship. Time ahead requires you to be strong, to get a strong foothold of yourself. Time ahead is requiring you to even work with more zeal, with more force towards forward, and with this only you could lead your team forward, you can lead yourself forward. Because if you are not going to do this, there's a saying, do not celebrate beforehand. Do not indulge yourself in the victory before it has received in your hands. So please do not practice this until and unless you have reached your goal, until and unless you have achieved your dreams. Before doing that, do not do these pre-celebrations, because in doing that, we sometimes lose our focus. We sometimes get so much devoid of our goals. We get so much distracted that we lose the intention, we lose the direction, and in the case, lots of mishappening happens, lots of bad things happen, as in a way that the things start falling apart, the things start going back. So we don't want this. We want you to get successful. We want you to get up. We want you to achieve your dreams. So you will have to do that. And the only way to achieve that is, please take a step back, renew everything, do a little backward analysis, and then go forward. And also develop a very, very strong bond with your teamwork. With your team, develop a strong bond. A strong emotional and mental level development is required as far as your networking is concerned. Your PR needs to be revisited. Your connections with people on professional level, on personal level, needs to be revisited, and only that, and only then you will be able to move forward and attain everything what you want to reach for. And always keep that in mind, that you are you have that attribute, you have that capability in yourself, that you can lead from yourself to this place. But you cannot do that alone. You need support, you need network, you need a good team spirit. So even if you have those things, but you are not going to take care of minute details, you may not be able to reach your phase. So please keep that in mind. You have the qualities, you have the leadership abilities, you already are a very fire sign, you have the strong determination, the all leadership qualities. Use that, use your talents, use your positive characteristics, and along with yourself, let others also help others also to rise in positive direction. So here's hoping you have a very, very positive time ahead. Thank you and God bless you. And other zodiac signs, please stay tuned for upcoming videos.